Hey guys, it's me, Janelle, and I'm here with my dad, Lewis. Today we're going to be making clear slime, and this is like his second time making slime. So, yeah, let's get started. We already started adding in our glue. I choose purple, he choose green, and yeah. So he wants to put in this iridescent glitter. I'm going to put in this gem glitter.
You see? I told you, look.
That looks cool.
Beautiful.
I am adding my gem glitter, and I also want to add in this iridescent glitter because this looks pretty cool.
I told you it's pretty cool. Wow.
So add it in like,
It's nice.
this kind of looks like magical, like jelly.
Like
For some reason it looks like fluorescent.
This is like fluorescent.
Fluorescent jelly.
I'm going to try a little bit more.
So there we go. Okay, time to activate. So here we have our baking soda. Baking soda. So I'm gonna add in a pinch because you can't add in too much or else your slime will come up overactivated. So only add in a bit because your slime's gonna come in overactivated. Too much.
It's okay.
It's gonna overactivate.
I'm the master.
He thinks he's
I'm
the
the
master.
master.
He thinks he's the master of slime. He's not. He comes up with like all these new recipes for slime.
I got my recipes, okay?
He thinks he's like a master at slime. Okay, so I'm mixing. Mine is coming together already.
You put
You have to put in your activator.
how many?
I put in like, I just squirt some in and then I mix.
Okay. I try.
He's gonna try. Don't put in too much because you already put in too much You already put in too much.
Oh, just floating.
Yeah, it squirts if you mix it too like.
There we go. I got it right there. Boom, booyah.
Okay, don't add any more activator in.
Are you guys there? I'm working on it. I told her that I'm the master one. Look at this. Exactly what I want.
Okay, mine's coming together, guys. Okay.
What happened? Why
Mine
you
is
too
coming
soft?
together.
Huh?
I'm mixing it slow, that's
Look.
why. It's because you added in a lot of activator. So guys, we'll be right back with our finished slimes. So yeah. Okay guys, so we are finished with our slimes. This is his. It's nice and stretchy. But someone decided to be a smart aleck and help me. And my slime came out like this. So I'll show you guys another clip of that another day.
I can fix it.
Oh no, oh dear.